Welcome, and happy Sunday. My brother Wizzy. Welcome, hit the share button. My brother J. Kenche, I know you to do one go salute. MB Wizzy. My brother Kenche for UK, I told salute. Happy Sunday. My Vice President, Kumba LGA. I see you. 21 gun salute. Mata. My remember US. I told salute. Open there. I told salute. Happy Sunday. La Vista, thank you. I see you. I told salute. Welcome, you hit the share button. We get played for Tom this Sunday. Matanjo, thank you. Happy Sunday, Mom. Ali, I see you. Honor Abu, I see you. Or John Bismarck. Dear Mary Water, I see you. 21 gun salute. Now enjoy the bottle dance. Thank you, Chairman. Confirm. John Bismarck, I salute you. Rose Safonda, I told salute. Go. Welcome, you share. Chingman, Atore Salute, happy Sunday. Restoration Forces, Atore Salute. Bobby Lawrence, same. Collins, same. John Bisingi, Atore Salute, sir. Una share, enjoy the bottle dance. Salute, bro. John Bisingi. Essa Akong, Atore Salute. If you are not see your name, no say pass. Bobby Lawrence, courage, bro. Thank you. Pascaline, away. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Pascaline, way, yeah. Atore Salute. Happy Sunday too. Restoration Force. I dare you. Ya cafe there up. Yeah, we don't listen this the music. We go to take salute. As we pass, we take salute while we prepare go the show. We come hit the share button. Enrico Omema. Okay, Onemo. Most. No, brother, I need the drink no na water. Bro, Enrico, I say no you understand. You when you talk, your voice, you get with drink water so that the it is soften your voice. Otherwise, I feel talk, you know, listen me. When you talk, sometimes your voice you go choke. Where you need to take water down. You feel better with me. Say every time where you there for defense, or the time where they call for some defense program or this, they must always give water for drink so that it wet their throat. No be na wine, na pure water, na pure water. So yeah, even for Ground Zero too, we no feel like Ground Zero no feel like water for drink. Azer Isaac, Atowe salute, 21 gun salute, my brother. Romanos Akonji, Atowe salute. Happy Sunday, 21 gun salute. For which side una dey? I know say most of una Ground Zero. I have the Ground Zero idea. Atowe una salute. I send a revolutionary greeting all the way from the kingdom of Belgium. Now, normal pure water we ever drink. We need to drink mostly the time. If we drink, sometimes if you drink water or we drink Coca-Cola, yeah, but we don't feel drink wine. You know, if you drink wine where you talk, because if you choke, sometimes it will be very catastrophic. So you know, if you drink wine where you talk, so now water, my brother Erico, I hope say you don't understand me. Now water will just wet truth. My brother Livan, Atowe salute, all the way from the United Emirates. Atowe salute. Okay, we'll see more. We'll start the show proper. Why, if you get any comment, you comment so that we feel special. If you get anything we want to talk, if you just comment, then I will see. Yeah. SR says African nation come and stop. Yeah, that one for gender. So that one are the main thing we all we focus, because all we focus now on Boya. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow ambassadors, una good evening wherever una dey, and happy Sunday. I think this one is the second show for the year 2021, and where the year 2020 we don't go with the own wahala. The year 2020 will be a year of Baroque. I call that year a year of Baroque. All my people understand with me. Yes, we go start the show proper. When you come and hit the share button, people will be used to with hitting the share button. I know some people in the way they watch, they don't know how to hit the share button, but I know some people in the way they know how to hit the share button. So when you come, when I hit the share button, for invite more not La Republic ambassadors for what the show. Yes, we go talk that one for the killing of those picking the Vokwakwa. We go talk that one and we will educate them. You tell them. So that one we go talk that one in the message show. Will pass for our fighters. So we go talk that one. Okay, fellow ambassadors, once more, a good evening. Now, wait till we go start the topic of the today. We get a lot for talk as far as the revolution be concerned. Now, why that way we will be silent. We will be silent until we gather facts. We can't throw for our people. We don't watch over the week. We don't see wahala. We don't record success. Even though in our revolution we record success, we get a lot of victories. And we see how social media to the cry on site. We did for WhatsApp groups. We see how ambassador people where they belong to the struggle. We deliberate. If you see any query for group, you know I say now because we will be divided. We will not be divided. We bring critics. You more criticize because we not just be in a forum where the forum just be a dormant forum. You not criticize leaders, you not criticize this, and any leader where you think say will be a leader, you not get a critics from the opposite direction. No say problem there. If you not get a critics, and when you start get a critics, you know say you work and you start look while they criticize, you start work in the direction for stop the people they criticize. So we go straight away from the intelligence where we get them, where La Republique, we see a list where La Republique publisher out there for recruit forces you could say air forces, and you could say the special forces, but some man go talk say, but why it concern we Ambazonians for our struggle. Some man go say why it concern we, why we not concentrate for we, but as the man he give me the intelligence, as a military man, he talk say he begged me, I talk about Ambazonian people, me they know what way it go on, so I tell say okay, for your word I will send your word for outside. The only for what way he tell me, I tell Ambazonian people like a military man, he tell me what way it go on. He tell me say the La République strategy, because this Air Force, why the Air Force wait, I don't know, because I don't be military man, where La République is recruit because na special force, and where they pay them very high, and La République get a trap because La République don't try way for recruit many soldiers and many bees, no man no send, plenty people no send their application. So La République use a strategy now for use a military for say now special squads or for military and Air Force, so that it go our people, especially Ambazonians, they will be desperate for see the salary, because they will be capped. They will catch them now. Salary will catch them. Not even the job. Most Ambazonians they will fall that trap for be encouraged for that salary for say Air Force. And Air Force, you say Air Force on the train now, either the train Air Force, Marine, Air Force, we use plane or helicopter or other, and their salary it need to be the same like this normal Sangalong be they work at a terrorized quarter. And when you see the salary now, and you will be motivated. Second thing I say, you know say when they train you like a Air Force, you need to go, you know if you go for war anyhow. You know if you go like for war zone for Ambazonia, you want to go there, you must go through helicopter, you now the right military plane, all those things. So now they track that way. La République, it try to put an in so that when our boys them don't send application, they don't send all their dossier, everything. Now, what they will do now say they will take una now go for that normal training. When they tell una say we don't send an application, everything. You don't get option, and when you don't come for training, you don't get option. Automatically, they'll take go for Manawa Bay. They take go for Manawa Bay, go training now. You will see after 6 months, they will put gun on your hand, they will put clothes on your skin. Say, so Ambazonian, so we go fight Ambazonian. So now they tell me now they trap that way. La République government, it get a knife at hand, especially. It's that one you go especially for Ambazonian, because they want use our Ambazonian picking the way they be desperate now. So because as of now, sorry. So as of now, wait where you go on and say yes. As of now, wait where you go on. Now say La République government. They want to use these boys for quarter. Do a quarter boys away. They don't master the terrain. They master the revolution. So when they don't be friendly to our Ambazonian restoration forces, automatically, now the way they define and now, so this our youth, the way where they don't master the terrain. They don't master our restoration forces. Now La République want trap for recruit them so that now they will be the people that will send them back to the field. Say, now go find the Abba boys. So I want our population, our citizens of Ambazonians, say this cheap trap with La République plan, we are not fall into that trap. For the past years, the way this revolution starts, no small money where you're picking will go for B. They pay 21,000 or 30,000 per month. Now it will make you stand something. Without the growth, we know some military people will get money, but I want to ask Ambazonian, they say, we now know about military. Now, how many military men you go retirement, CB has? How many military people they go retirement? They be has. How many military where you know them, they go retirement, they be has? So military in their way, before they want to take their salary, they don't own a debt. That one you been a fact. some military, the day way before they want pay them, they already owe debt. Other you don't go take debt for buy chop, no matter. Or you don't go take a debt buy me or drink for bar. You see, say when they pay you 60,000, 50,000, that one you don't get anything. Okay, see, people the way they should not they take upon themselves like farmers. They decide they want to cultivate crops for sale. Go na farmer they be us, na farmer they do this, na farmer they do everything, and the economy for that country na farmers hold am. So I don't see where to be interested for the fall into that cheap trap. You go for war, Boko Haram kill you for no nothing. You go, you fight with the old man for power for 40 how many years for power. You go fight for you go lost your life because of small 50,000 way they pay you per month. Small 50,000 pay you per month. How many military people send people to boarding school? How many military send Pekin for boarding school? Most of military people them for La Republic, they send their Pekin for government school and they go free. Some of them get a gun, they can't threaten principal. They are Pekin and they go for school, they're free because they not be able to pay school fees. How many military if send Pekin for school? How many military they go retire and pay a house, even buy plot? So I don't see the reason why our people would go to that extent for fall into that cheap trap. That cheap trap. Say you want to go join a recruitment of forces. Then secondly, we dey for war. And we must use the language of war. Any papa will say it Pekin. As I have Pekin go for that training. As of now, any papa will say it Pekin. He go for that training. For come back for fight ambassador. Before the Pekin will finish that training, we the ambassador people will only finish with you so that when he can, he will can fight the ambassador. Then he reclaim your corpse way with only put on site. Now so they we want all the way they think say they will go for military. Say as I go for that military, go carry your papa and everything. You go for that man our babe. So that time you work with your family. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We want all the military, any man who want to go for that new recruitment for military, you want to go, just go with all your family. All your family. Because we know say as I go back, you go for that place, you come back like a week. You come back to the Republic. And before you want to come, they say cut your leave. Before rain start fall. Before you want to come, you don't be prepared. Yes. I tell you now. Yeah. All the things one La Republic flag, they say noise. Go tell them. Go tell them. We don't fight for how many years? We see fight. We see fight. We media they cry every day. We don't ever win the war. Go tell una all pass say me come. If you declare war, if you say now use na weeks, you come now you can't watch say noise. You can't watch me. Nobody watch CRTV. Go to watch CRTV. Why the CRTV go on? Go watch CRTV. Why you can't watch we if you know some noise they make a day, why they watch? Why they go find why una the La Republic go find activism? Una go watch them. Una concentrate as una talk una they win the war. Una forget about we. Una forget about we ambassador. Una get plan una strategy how to win the war. Una can take no can hear for we slow una go. That means una don't fail. When you watch me say don't fail. Go to watch CRTV. Una listen una fake program they give una they never execute am. Idiot. You can't La Republic flag for implement noise. So fellow ambassadors, will you give this warning for any fighter, any ambassador waiting say if you go for that recruitment, me not say if you go with your family. Because when you go that recruitment, now he come back. If he come back for we. We know that one. No me that way na bebe. We know say any ambassador will go for recruitment now. If he come back for we because La Republic not foresee the war pass we. La Republic not foresee the war say them not fit win the war. La République know for Menduda Ombrakata say they no fit win this war. So not only we fit win, not only we fit stop the war, and the one use our own. The one use our own for fight we. Nothing like Republic the one do. Nothing that way the one do. So we will be very vigilant. I will send warning for any ambassador waiting say will go for that recruitment. After you go gather your family, go. Just gather all your family, go. Yeah, because you know people recruitment where your family no strong, una accept say you go that recruitment and your papa move that money game. And your papa you move that money game say me go, come back, can fight ambassador. Una fait door self. Una fait door over because we don't see military. Man the war for the Republic military. Ambassador they shoot the part for Ekona. Where it dey military. Another military can shoot the part, it be quiet. Una see the XMA don't go. Why the military to the drink back on Geo, they take back on Geo, take drugs. Now wait, you go there for military. You never retire. They shoot your part. Military shoot your part. It is just la Republic safe. They don't care. La Republic they have key ambassador. They don't care what and who. And time they will start bonding with so military. And they tell una watch. Time they will carry una go for war from so shoot all una ambassador they will na military. So una be set out. If una never wise, I tell ambassador sons and daughters they inside la Republic military. If you don't know wise, tell them la Republic go change face. It start tell una say now una be sent out, now I leak all information for we. They will bond you una so. Because when they don't kill retire, they will turn and start kill now una the military, they will carry una go to war front, they bond all una they kill them. Then they can't report say ambassador not kill una. Una watch what happen for na Elvis and Golden na who Elon Paul they call na where they disgrace for presidency no. Una the watch this e burst to tears. Na minister that yet what they tell you, una never read that they tell you say how have they say we ambassador will be betrayers. Una listen very well. Na Elon Paul chair na una iko na Elon Lo no fit care know that I name them. Na this man, this blue man wey the president secretary to the presidency una wait with la Republic. He boldly tell that man say we ambassadorian na sell out. So any military when see don't start attack the hierarchy, they don't start for up, they never even start for down. They never even start with down. Very soon, they will come for una military. They will come for una military. They will say, before the one come out for Kumba, go for Ngi. Who tell them say that they plan that plan? Who tell ambassador and they say that the whole executive meeting for Yaoundé? Who tell ambassador and say, I'm not going to come? Who they will turn their back. La Republic will turn their back. Some face when the military say, now that they give that intelligence. And with that, they will start fighting now. So it better for una go cut una leave before rain start fall. For leave that la Republic. When they don't start coach minister, he burst to cry because he is secure in position. He start cry. He no say go lost his position. And don't tell Hoa say they will move it. They tell Hoa say they will move it. They don't go for back. They tell Hoa say he be a betrayer. That man. Betrayal, I say in betrayal for ambassador now, listen very well. The betrayal, when they caught the day, I say in leak secret for ambassador. Now say he get some mission with the presidency. He go for presidency where he not inform the boss. That's just it. I say he can't leak some secret for we. They say he not be get right. If boss say he not be get right, president will invite you or the get some occasion for presidency. He just go the way. He not invite. He not tell you like the boss. He boss to cry. They tell you they will sack you. In the year, no, another minister, they tell another minister say will sack you. So now they see the level where the Republic operate. Now that country. He tell you say you Anglophone, you Southern Cameroon, you sell out. He go sack you because of it. Now he country. Now they work slave. You cry, see a slave boy, marital study for Canada, get PhD level. You see how he cry for a front, oh mates. The boss, he tears, he cry because he work like a slave for the Republic. And at the same time, this is why he go turn back to military. They will start key military. Una wait. This show, una just record this show. Una will start here after some time. Una will start here after some time. Say, Ambassador Aloki 20 military. Ambassador Aloki 15 military. Ambassador Aloki this. When I la Republic, you go turn start kill them. Start kill them. Now don't wait. They give report every day because the war will end, and the Republic before we end the war, it must hurt we very badly. Before the war will end, my tell you now. Before the war will end, any military might serve La Republic. La Republic military, any ambassador the way they serve La Republic military, 50% or 60% of them will go down. Before the war will end, and La Republic will end the war by killing them. Before it will. La Republic before we end the war, it must kill plenty of ambassador military population inside military. Now say go there. So that one, you don't go na foot of thoughts. So any man eating. There we go for a message to the teachers. Yes, I want to talk for teachers the way, our ambassador teachers the way we cherish una, we love una so much, we protect una so much. Una understand say na teachers and lawyers they be open our eye even though we know, but not them. Besides the people that talk say enough is enough. Patterson and Agobala and Niba Fontaine, all them. Now them start tell we say enough is enough. And teachers, they get a very greater role for play for any country. Any country. They respect teachers. But I want to tell this one, say the teachers for ambassadors. Now the highest people for that country where the government it didn't respect them. La Republic, see, teachers for La Republic, they will toast them like toy. Teachers, I mean teachers. That's why another group of people in that way, where La Republic, you need to recognize their service when they render them for that country. But now, come to ambassador. I want to beg our teachers. We know say we na be white basin. Yes. Teachers them na white basin. Now teachers job for La Republic. Now the only job that way you see man you work, go for retirement. They don't charge you for embezzlement. Yes, teacher job for La Republic. Now the only job that because na white basin. Now white teacher in a white basin, now people their hand will be clean. Most teachers them plenty. Now one the way their hand will be clean. Except the other people, the other set of teachers, the way they act like principals, where they join politics, be a principal at the same time, it be a parliamentarian, or it be a principal at the same time, it be a DO, as a principal at the same time, it act as mayor. And the one in that they also in their hand. But you see, maybe any life for classroom teacher or surveillance general or vice principal or at that level, that clean basin. We call it a white basin. They be clean. But now, what we want them? Say, ambassador restoration forces, they know they after them. We will not they after teachers. So I want to beg any restoration forces where you think we are brain skull, say you go against teachers. No try there. But teachers, stay home. Teachers, stay for us. Nobody endanger your life. Because you don't want to find your daily bread. When you be a government teacher, especially now for war zone, ambassador, they pay you. You know work, they pay you. Nobody risk your life. You come out, you go for Njikwa. You come out to Bamenda, you pay motor, you go for Njikwa. Say you want to go teach. If the deal on a government delegate, on a who, he write you a petition. Tell you say me you go there. reporting for the restoration fighters. Me, the Dioka pass go there. Because as we try to protect una will protect una self. As we try to protect teacher, because we know say una be white basic, una no get problem. They toss una go left and right. But we need to protect una, and una get to protect una self. When they send you for a risky zone, not go you. When they send you for a risky zone, teachers, no go you. Una see what will happen for Njikwa. Una see what will happen for Metazem. And you go for Fako. We no one lost our own people. Because our people don't die more than enough. Our people don't die more than enough. We no one lost more souls. So we beg teachers to stay away. Stay away. We no one fight una. Una own fight. We una be fight for protest. Police will be beat una. Una live una own level don't end. Una live the fight now for we will end the fight for una. Yes. Una be don't go Patterson them Agobala, all the lawyers una voice it don't be heard. Una leave the fight now for we. They will take the fight now. We the common man we will not be civil servant, will not be no nothing for government, for that government. Now leave we will fight the fight, we end the fight for una. We will fight, we will come back in the classroom. We will fight the fight end. No man, not the way you will hear the restoration force say, and I will be principal for this school, and I will be this for this school. All una will still come back. All una will still come back. Can't take una position there. So the highest thing I will preserve your life first. So that means the war end. Then you move up. No hurry yourself. You go enter crossfire. Because our restoration force is now so they need the clan. We need the pamper again. So now the message I get for the teachers, I respect una very much. Una not there for corruption and embezzlement. Una be transparent people, but una preserve una life, especially teachers. Yes, una not join the politics corrupt people because where your hand they be soil, when your hand they be dirty, when they catch you, you will know the minute of your hand they be dirty. Yes, I will talk about today. It happened for over the week. We see some fighters. I want to give a message to our restoration fighters. We don't want our restoration fighters every time, all the time. What way our boys they get for do, and what way they don't get for do. We don't see three fighters where they die for Mbonge LGA. I don't be deemed for post them because they die due to their carelessness. They die due to big carelessness. And I wait to that way we don't preach them every day and night. We don't tell our fighters say La Republic, the level where La Republic they take this war, the level where the war they not there as before. When they find you one a tic-tac, after we hit that we go. We define the war, we come over forest, can't hit, go back. I tell Amazonian people something. When I see fight at the night they die, we know they be demoralized again because when you see the circumstance where surround their death. When you see the circumstance where surround their death, you still go ask a question. Why? And what way I don't come and learn and I say the diaspora, they be too sympathetic. Pass the fighter themselves, they fight that fight. The diaspora they be too sympathetic. That means they feel for our restoration fighter, their life past themselves. When I watched the way it happened for Ngokutinja recently, we 5 fighters during New Year, I think a New Year period, where they are general, don't warn them. Say me they don't go for bar. They go for bar and fight. La Republic military can't surround that bar. Move all the 5. Just imagine, see how they lost their life. Must you enjoy? Now the problem during war. Why not buy the Mimbo car and go for your camp? Why not buy the Mimbo and go for an isolated area when I enjoy for day? You must join. Why must you join the population to celebrate? For celebrate with tea. For celebrate with tea. You shall be lost your life. Because La Republic get intelligence. During that period, we must be tempted for celebrate also festivals. We must be tempted for celebrate also festivals. Why must you go there when you know so you be a target? That means when you cry for our life, when I know the cry for our own life. The Lord, I said, La Republic come inside that bar, move all man. It doesn't say they communicate with phone because black leg call say they did it. And he described all the La Republic move there. He shoot all them for that same spot. All the 5, shoot all them. All the 5. Okay. Now tell you to wait till we see on social media that boys really die for Kwakwani. Who first sent them for Kwakwa? When some mafia here say restoration forces, some people they ask, Kwakwa does it exist? Kwakwa does it exist? Because that road now road is linked to Ekonotiti Kumba Ekonotiti Road. Now Kumba Ekonotiti Road. So that boys them. What happened now yesterday morning, that boys and they will control. Some people are saying, which control? Who sent them for control? You control be like who? You be police? You control, do it with the money. You control like who? You be fight. Who sent you for control? They never control. Now, what will happen? I say, La Republic get intelligence, they never control. La Republic don't say, when it come with the normal motor, they will see at the road. Because the land level, na very plain level now, if you stand side man very far. Yeah, if you take maybe 1 point something kilometer, even more than 2 kilometers. If you side man for far with 2 kilometers. La Republic enter motorway carry sand. You say they stop motorway carry sand. They take the motor right from Kumba where empty. They don't take the motor empty. We now see intelligence where La Republic in the work. They enter that motor, 3 of the one way, the other their motor they come for back. Their motor they come for back. So kind. I tell this one because if you talk as a man say no, that intelligence gets to La Republic, if you go find that man. So motor be there in front, where that motor go back. The motor signale. When I say our population, our people, they get the love. That driver, I know we do undo. He signale them, sign. Tell them say that motor way, that motor they go back. When I say na motor for sand. It's a military inside. He signale them. Thank God, 2 of them. The wives, they tell their own friend, their colleagues, that side way, that motorway pass, so you make a show the motorway, it can't go back. You know they find. Then to the command, they ship them. That motor can't stand, that motor will stand, can't stand. Before the one discover military, they already dig their head, start shoot. Now see carelessness. Where these boys and these restoration fighters call themselves restoration fighters. Now see how useless these people are useless in their life. We now see how useless these people. We don't tell the time and again. No control. The internet government never authorize any control for Ambazina territory. The government never authorize any LGA or county for set up a control post for check ID or what. They never authorize of money. Now money not that 500. With the fighting La Republic, they take for 500. We have to inculcate that same habit for they take for 500. Because now 500 you don't take when I go so. And now 500 they take La Republic go. Now 500 they take La Republic go. So our restoration forces fighters, this message is go for una. If you don't finally fight for see boya or we not do a listing for what we tell una. What we una will see am as we dey for you una need to see am. Maybe you dey inside bush. You don't know what will happen for Ngokitinja. You don't know what will happen for Bui. You don't know what will happen for Meme. You don't know what will happen for Mbonge. But we collectively with the CM, we get intelligence, we tell una every day, educate una every day, una need the year. Every day we tell una say una life matter for us past anything. Una life matter for us past anything. Now what the way with the contribute money, we give money for feeding, we sell our money for feeding, we sell our money for celebrate, do it. Any event where we don't say that event where we sell our money. We sell our money because we don't say we don't need the work. Because you know if you go work farm at the same time, because if you go work farm and tell you go farm is spray, they can't track you. We calculate all those things for our life, but when I think say our life is not be important for una. Una dey die every day. When una dey die, so una dey kill in ourselves. Una dey kill even the Amazonian struggle. Nothing say we see fighter die, he sleep on road, we need to kill him, we will be happy. It is demoralized we. Now what I yesterday I don't come with show because I see those images as my blood, you know, be tell me, say, but why? Why are you speaking there? Why? We need to fight. Most of the way they kill them yesterday, they need to fight. Again, they need to fight. They didn't have a money making. They need to fight. They lost in their life. If you need to fight, go stop. If you want to farm quiet. Not go to terrorize the population because maybe that the population don't vex. They call the military because when they terrorize the population. I don't tell them, I say one thing. That you for start terrorize the population, better drop down your weapon. If you be a general, if you think for your life, for your score, say, if you ever for one moment, you make the population be hurt, you drop down your weapon. Because we need to fight to take our own. If the population, they don't want to give you what you want, to be you quiet. When military come, all they go run. You to run. So now which that way it happened. And all the chair people they made for the LGAs and chairs, when they get for start educated boy, they will stop taking Bakonji and they call them Bakonji and Aweti. We start smoke all those them. We get for start the LGA them. When they get for start evaluate. Tell the general any one way they deal with drugs, when I move weapon for your hand. Anyone they deal with drugs, when I move weapon for your hand. Because plenty of them die now because of these useless drugs. Plenty of them die because of the useless drugs. So the LGA chair, they are supposed, and the security, we are supposed to start evaluate. Anyone they deal with drugs, we take material for your hand. Me be so. So that one, I that. Then we will go to. Yeah, we'll go now to who be chief in command or commander in chief for this revolution, our Ambazonian revolution, the interim government, county by county, LGA by LGA. We get 13 county of the Federal Republic of Ambazonians, and we get what again? We get 61 LGAs. This structure it be governed by the county chairs and the LGA's chair. The commander-in-chief and the supreme commander, now His Excellencies Dr. Samuel Sako Ekome. Now he be the commander-in-chief for all the LGAs and all the 13 counties. I want to talk this one because we see what way it be the distraction where it happen for Fako County. Or we don't like what way it happen for Fako County because as of the moment we concentrate and we put all our resources for say make Fako County and we stop the Nation Cup for Fako. As work they go on, distraction they come all along. Me, I don't talk more than the people for Fako County. I be just mere activist. I just get the opinion for talk. People feel buy my opinion. I don't feel impose my opinion for people. I be just mere activist. When you go to the other LGA where I be partake, I be talk with them like a member, and I give opinion like activist. But what way I can't understand as Fako be concerned with Fomban and Reverend Asong that they toss over position or power. Same thing it happened for Kumba, where Tony too, you know, and leave power. But the one for Fako, now the highest call of concern, because Fako is a capital and plenty things the way we get for make a me happen for Fako, so we don't want any distraction for Fako. You come to Fombat. Fombat, I know if you say Fombat and black leg. Fombat don't be black leg. Fombat is a good guy. I don't interview you plenty time for Amber Focus. He's a good guy. He get one thing the way he do, he believe in. Reverend Asong too in the same light. He not be black leg. He gets a good intention for carry a project the way he see for lead Fako. But now, the two things, me no man, no misquote these two people. These two people, not the black leg. These two people, they differ for ideology. They differ for ideology. This man say no, if you work with him, man, because sometimes Reverend Asong bring his own way. He want me work from, but say no, he want me work the way. Now that they differ. But now, what do I want to talk? As far as Reverend Asong is concerned, Reverend Asong, for me, he get good objectives. He get good objective, but he get a poor strategy. I talk again. Reverend Asong get good objectives, but he get poor strategies. Which means that he get poor method of implementation. He get a poor method of implementation. What I mean, I say, like me, I don't say he be reverend. He be a reverend. I don't expect reverend for the query in this direction. And because me I be person where I look the way me I look clergy people, the way me I look the clergy people, I look the clergy people in a different way. If you see normal people with the thoughts, and it is telling me, but we see man of God, where you get the title reverend, he taught you, he passed me because when from I say not so, you say not so, this is not so. But now my stand where me I stand, they ask me say my own stand where me I stand. Who say me a day? Me I know they will from back, I know they will Reverend Asong. Me a day now for the institution, which means that me a day now for the interim government. Me a day for I know they will revolution for some person back on a day for protect the institution. And the commander-in-chief don't suspend the security for Kumba LGA for 6 months. Now my own standard. Now my own standard. The commander-in-chief, our excellency, he don't talk. I beg see. When we go for our site, we preach. More practice what we will preach. When some man talk say like activists, them they say they protect the interim government and you protect the institution. You know they against individual. You know they will support individual. Then you must protect you the decision where you come out from the hierarchy of the interim government. No say no. No say no. LGA by LGA no form itself. All LGA they respect the Amber Peace Plan. And the Amber Peace Plan it comes from the hierarchy that they draft all those laws. That they draft all those laws. So you know, we respect one law, you leave the other one. As the commander-in-chief said, he suspend the security department for LGA stands still because we give to support our president. We will give you that mandate, we'll give you that power. We'll give to accept the decision where it comes from me. We'll give to accept the decision where it comes from me. So, Reverend Asong and this format, we don't lie low. Even though I don't say as of now, we go back and do everything, but as of now, they don't recognize you now. For now, Reverend Asong they work as Reverend Asong. Format they work as format. Format they work in the capacity of FACO. Reverend Asong they work in the capacity of FACO. You understand that? But the interim government now you get the sole responsibility now for FACO. You understand that? Me, I don't. If anything where the commander-in-chief, now he holds security. The commander-in-chief, now he holds security. And the security department, he get a problem. Not the leadership and the security department, he get a problem. Like what when you go off for America, where they remove Trump. When they be tossing me the same security, Trump they get right. Trump get right because I am the commander-in-chief. Popia, Bingodo, La Republique. Now he send military, they can kill Ambazonian. Now he declare war. And they take that order. Because now he be commander-in-chief. So be commander-in-chief for Ambazonian, not give own order. They will reject and they will also will support the interim government. Which way are you supporting the interim government? In what aspect? Which way? Where you support the interim government, where you take it against the decision of the government. If you support the government no more necessarily give decision where will favor you. That's it that we will know. That's it that we will put a bear in our mind. The government decision need to favor all man. It will disfavor some person in favor you, or it will disfavor you in favor some person. But it will take up that way because of the government, you work the majority. It will work the betterment. The interim government need to give decision where it will affect only FACO. It will affect the whole of Ambazonian. We get to put that one in mind. So, Nama thought that way I want to tell the Ambazonian people, you know, say the commander-in-chief, when on top, we get for respect. Yeah, I know one could go for the nitty-gritties of FACO, they get their own wahala. But my own point and respect, and I will still stand for that command. I will still stand for that decision till I die. Say the interim government, the commander-in-chief, he don't pass an order. So we will respect that order. Now my own standard. Then we go for yes, activation of RPG. Yeah, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, the past shows in 2020 and recent shows them, we don't advocate for activate RPG. So, we don't activate for RPG. Yes. As we don't get behind all manner RPG. And RPG again will be activated, but before I come with that, man, tell you that's a small thing where we do and bet. Now, say this revolution is just for upon we will not be prepared. All ambassadors will bear in mind, say this revolution, not as until we should not. We prepare mind, say, we will face La Republique. La Republique, they wage war. We start for defend. We start with rubber gun, small stick, this, before we reach the level where we did. And we will not say, we will go gradually. We will grow gradually. Like, see, if we prepare this war, La Republique, no waste time for even announce if you host Nation Cup for Victoria. The northern zone is topography. I want to tell Ambassador people, who look something very keenly. Very keenly. When I see the northern zone and the southern zone, you get two topography. I think the savannah and the waiting, they get two topography. The topography for the northern zone, it gives them some upper hand for fight the enemy. The topography for the southern zone, you worry. You worry. Southern zone needs more sophisticated weapon. Southern zone. When I know say, see, if you talk like, if you come out for Mongo Bridge, you come on Mongo Bridge, you reach right for Kumba. Now so the land slip very level. Go reach right for Kumba. If you want to get a small slide, slopey hills, so slope them. Which means what? It gives upper hand for Amoka, for Waka anyhow, shoot anyhow. And it gives you some ideas. But if we not prepare the war with RPG, it will be effective. Very effective. For Southern Zone. Very effective. Very, very effective. Now, it takes me back to RPG. We don't see people they make chuchu. I want to give some warning for all the 13 counties where we are embark on RPG. I don't say we get vampire. They already put their fangs them outside there for mislead we, for scam the money for RPG. I will not say we get plenty fake RPG where we don't try to lay hand, they don't work. I will give to be very, very careful before one send hand, because the money, we don't get the amount of the money for RPG. We don't get the amount for the hit them for user. Now, what we ambassador need them. Now, effective collaboration and dipping our hands into our pocket for CC, we get this sophisticated material. If I use RPG, no, don't block my because I don't see how they block people that are Facebook, they block. I don't tell you that say quoted language during war be very important. When some people they come for during war, you can't bro grammar. Facebook, La Republic, they report Facebook, they report the activities, our activities on Facebook every day. They report on Facebook, and when Facebook don't need for listening, they block you. But when you report on Facebook while listening, the language you need for year for find translator you go worry. So we got to use quoted language during war. Operation RPG they on the way in can. And the ambassador people get to two hands together, we get to see into it. Say we have this sophisticated material where we will push the Republic. That's why I don't want to RPG for do for this Nation Cup, because it don't be too late. But I know say important event in the camp where we go need for use that material. Important event in the camp where we go need RPG. So any LGS would have start think. See, it be very easy. If LGA, I know the counties. If each LGA start think to get one, because it be very normal for LGA for decide say the one get one. For LGA will contribute 10,000 if they put heart now 1 minute to contribute. If each LGA decides they want to get one, and then we get 61 LGAs, that means we'll get 61 RPG. My brother and sister, they war end. I want to give this one like tax to LGA, mean they start work on. If all the LGAs decide, or each county decide say like LGA they're not strong, so LGA they're not strong. But if we decide to forget each county get like 50% of the LGAs, that means we'll get at least not less than 40 RPG. My brother and sister, we not gonna need to talk the story anymore. La Republic will need to tell the international body where to go on. So we still work on that project very swiftly. We still work on the project of RPG. Now we go for economic sabotage. We go for economic sabotage. Now, before we go for economic sabotage, I want first of all appreciate the work of our restoration forces for Fako County, for where we see them during the past days. La Republique, they cry. La Republique, they broadcast. Because some people talk say, we don't get the restoration forces, there are no more, and there's a few prisoners in the way this. But when we give the message, they be shocked. Because Ngala Gerard, he never come again. Because when Ngala Gerard be talk say, the war don't end, it not be meant like 2 days. We hear massacre for Njikwa, we hear massacre for Metasem. It never made 1 week. We see the result of Fako County. They tell we say our boys they be ready to attack. I want to tell you, I say 21 guns salute for our fighters for Fako. We see on a brave work. We see on a work, but one moment a very small to them. A very small. Because if we have been doing this sort of things, on a say now, because we know when I tell you we get event, that time we shake. We will keep the flame burning all the time. We will keep the flame burning. I don't tell you when I say our restoration forces now have responsibility again for secure our population. They don't pay tax for Kumba market, Munya market, all those markets. Bamina main market. Now our responsibility for tell our civilians say, me they don't pay electric bill, me they don't pay water bill. When I see the way PAMO, they stop workers. When I see the way PAMO stop workers, La Republique cry. They don't try to revamp PAMO. They go, they see fail. Yes, they go. They want show hand, Viper, kick them. They withdraw the hand back. Yes, they go. When play co, we go play with co, you see under still waiting for a rotting. You see Viper, he dey under that stick. Nothing say that Viper don't die. You see be quiet. Nothing say don't die. When you touch a Viper, where stink you go in survive. So when PAMO be there, La Republique, they feel say our restoration forces for that area, they don't die all, they don't capture all them. But when they go torture, they see the result, they withdraw back. They go torture, they see the result, they withdraw back. They say let the sleeping dog lie. When the sleeping dog sleep, no fit say he need to see. He just observe. So our fighters now have responsibility for protect our civilians. See, when our civilians they stop to start pay taxes for La Republique, when I wanna do them, that taxes go to automatically go for una. Una not expect say una no shudon. You never marry the councillor. Council not even council collect tax. Worker, council worker, they say on a quarter. They work go collect tax. Cash down, show na la République. Cash down, il talk una. They dey talk with una. They una expect say, then, my way, in the collector, no get money. Then una go intimidate, say, me give money for support struggle. Una say, una go give money, una go, it say small, it small shop for market, it say small business. La République du Roi, il faut pay tax. You do it, they will back. You do intimidate, say, me support the struggle. Good, for support the struggle, a good thing. And you don't need intimidation. But what you go do, you like a fighter, you do for block La République. For say, that money where that man want pay La République tax, me give you. How you go do? For say, this man don't give money for La République. Can't give me. Now for you, for stop the man when you go collect that tax. Because if that man not there for collect tax, La République no command, military no command for market the collect tax. And automatically that businessman, you will come quarter, 1 more pay no pay tax, 2 more pay no pay tax, you ask it 2,000, he will give you. Because he do business for free. He do business for free. Now where that? Now the way in that way, we're supposed to stop this endeavorism for our territory. Economic sabotage, we always say, Bonnie, do this. You get to give the government pain. Sorry, things the government gets on team. We get to stop them. Sorry, we see things the government gets on team. We find way we stop them, my brothers and sisters. That's what we get to do. So our restoration forces, both the northern and southern zone, they work there for their hand. We know say it not be an easy tax. It not be an easy tax. But if we stop CDC, we stop AMO, we stop this, we stop this. We stop Brassaris. Brassaris still come back because we sleep. We forget. He come back. We still stop her. It will be difficult. We still stop her. So, I go end here by telling our people, say, we will be focused. The revolution is on track. No distraction from anywhere. Yeah, people, they come for the revolution, come go. No thing says some man, it go make you feel like you leave this revolution. And then small one talk before I go, small one talk, I talk for activists. I be told the other time say activists for the revolution, we get to stand focused and we stand for our lane. Activists for this revolution, now people they expect from you. When you be an activist, where you can't talk, people start criticize, you get to withdraw their thing. And activists not make our people they be frustrated because plenty people anyway they know the listing, they know they for WhatsApp group, they know they for groups them, they follow, they want to get the information, they get information for activists. When you are an activist, you shall make some people think they say they be frustrated. I beg, when we activists, we get to keep our emotions outside. We solve the problem back. Before you want to come outside like activists, you get to give now what way it will foster the revolution. You get to give now what way it will make unity, it will bring collaboration, unity. You go give what way it will encourage people to contribute more. No come for you take emotion because you get quarrel with so person. You bring the emotion to the Facebook and the beg activists. We try to keep our emotion and also say all human beings they be subjected to mistakes. But I beg we not take our anger, override us. So because our people they expect much more from us. If we start talk some language, our people they be frustrated. So now the small advisory, I just say my gift activists. Thank you very much for watching. Una stay blessed and happy Sunday once more again.